backdrop yet. This one is my backdrop. So manage it like that. Good day everyone, you're welcome to my channel. As for the returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please stay tuned. You enjoy my videos. Welcome to my family, Nelly's Corners family. Welcome. You know that dates is your natural sweetener, gotten from a dry fruit. No artificial additives, all natural. Do you? Do you know that your dates can be added to your baby's food? Do you? Do you know that the benefits of dates cannot be overemphasized? It's like I love this word, overemphasized. Dates is high in antioxidants. It's high in fiber. It aids bowel movement. Dates can be added to your baby's puree, oatmeal, smoothie. You can also add it to your pancakes. So after listening to this video, you will stop using sugar and use more of date syrup. So in this video, I'll be trying to make date syrup and date puree. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. And please hit that subscribe button. I know you've subscribed. Thank you very much. Dates here. This is the soft one and this is the hard one. From their back, you shall know them. This one now is dry. It's more dry, while this one is kind of soft. This type is the best for making your date syrup. But that doesn't mean that this one is not good for making date syrup. Just that you have to soak this type for a longer period of time for it to soften, while this one you soak it for a shorter period of time. But the both of them, you can use it for your date syrup. But this strong or hard one is best when you want to make your date powder. We'll make that one later, but today we are making our date syrup and we're using both of them, the two types of dates here. We are going to remove the seed from these dates. It's called the seedling. Okay, I discovered this pencil method in my pap video. I will drop the link in my description box for those that have not seen my pap video, how I make my healthy pap. So I'm deseeding the dates now. This is 30 minutes of soaking our dates. Hopefully it has softened. The idea of soaking it is just for it to blend easily. So we'll put it into our blender. Remember, we are making two types of dates here, the date syrup and the date puree, the one we'll call puree. So I'm now putting it into my blender, and I will use some of the soaked water, the water we use in soaking it, to blend it. Not all of them, just some of it. Blending time. Blend your dates into a fine smooth puree. You know it's a 6 months baby that is taking this puree, so blend it into a fine texture. If it's too thick for the blender, you can add some of the soaked water. Sumptuous. This is our date puree ready for consumption. You can add it to your baby's oatmeal. Remember, it's from 6 months above, 6 months old baby above. You can add it to your baby's oatmeal. your baby smoothie. Yeah. For the date syrup, you blend and mix it with that remaining soaked water. I prefer blending because blending makes me get enough juice when I sieve it, yes. So I mix it with the soaked water, pour it into my cheese cloth and squeeze. You will need to wash your hand properly for this exercise. Yes, I call it exercise because you will need your muscle. So just eat enough fufu and get ready to squeeze out all the yummy juice, the date juice out like this. Okay, squeeze it well with your washed hand into a clean bowl. Okay, we are done squeezing. So this is the chaff from the dates. I don't know what to do with it, but if you have any idea, drop it in the comment section. And this is the juice we extracted. Now we are going to pour in this juice into our clean pot and bring it to boil.